Yeah, so I have a Morris Oxford here that's pretty rough shape. You can see the white is pretty bad here. Now I don't want to really respray this, but I just want to clean it up and see how it works. We're going to use a little bit of 600 here, wet and dry. We're going to put it in this water, right? And we're just going to give it a light rub. We don't want to ruin the oldness of it, right? Right, so that's looking good, better already. There you go. See how quick that goes. I'll do a little bit of the back here. Then we'll give it a little polish afterwards and we'll see what we got. Do it in little round motions. You get those old scratches like you used to have in these cars. When you polish it, it looks like, which it is, the original paint. Now I'm not trying to sand the paint off too much. Just trying to get it back to a color that's kind of like it was. So I'll just do this to the whole car and then we'll polish it. Yeah, so it's already looking quite clean here. I'm quite happy with that. Got a little water here if I need it. Now I like using a paper towel sometimes just to see how much paint I'm taking off. But we're just going to rub this around here. And you know, if you want to get in the cracks and that, you use a toothbrush and you put a little water on your, this is the polishing compound, and it's light to medium cleaner, right? And doesn't really take up that much paint, but it will clean, right? That's all you need to do. Get this whole car clean. So I'll keep at this for about 20 minutes. So there you go. Quick polish of the cream. I just put a tire on this. As you can see underneath, it's turned out really nice. And on the top there, look at the shine on it now. Only, what, 15 minutes or less. Another tire on that side there. And even there I used the toothbrush a bit and it's cleaned all the plate up, made it less rusty. Still original paint. And there we go. Isn't that lovely?